Step 1. Number 1 is the front sunshine curtain. Step 2. Facing the smooth side of sunshine curtain outward. Step 3. Fixing mounting base on two ends of sunshine curtain by two pieces of rivets. Smaller mounting base is in front of sunshine curtain, while bigger one at the back. Fixing sunshine curtain on roof support with two pieces of screws, M6 multiply 35. Fixing sunshine curtain board on sunshine curtain with M3 rivet. Fully opening sunshine curtain by holding sunshine curtain board and fixing sunshine curtain hoods on armrests with M6 multiply 35 screw. Sunshine curtain can be pulled out and back easily and smoothly without clamping stagnation.